Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about a very interesting topic that is worksets. How worksets work inside the Revit and how we can create new worksets and those kind of stuff. So let's get started. Right now in this particular browser, you'll see at the bottom right here we are having the worksets option. Right now our current workset is shared levels and grids. At this particular name, you can see at the left hand side, you can see the worksets icon. You can click on that one. Now this kind of dialog box will be open. Right here you can see all the worksets created in this particular project. Right now we are having two worksets only, shared levels and grids and worksets ones. These two are default worksets for any of the collaborative Revit project. Okay. If I want to create a new workset, how we can do that thing? You can click on new icon right here. This kind of dialog box will be opened. Now you can fill the name. So for example, let me go for L0-HVAC-duct. Right now, please make sure this icon is checked. Right now, just focus on this one, okay? So I'm checking this one for duct. Click on OK. Let me create a new workset again. L0 HVAC piping. Okay. Click on right now. I'm unchecking this one visible in all views. Okay. Click on OK. Now we'll see the difference in between these two. As I clicked on OK, this kind of dialog box will be opened, which is saying whatsoever the workset that you created at the last time, do you want that particular workset to be your active workset? Right now, let's go for yes, and I'll click on yes, and then right now you will see my active workset is L0HVAC piping because the last workset that I've created was this one. Okay, if I'll click on no, whatsoever workset I was working, it will be keeping the same one. Okay. Right now, I'm in this piping workset, and if you can remember, uh, the visible in all view icon was unchecked for this one. What is the purpose of this one? Let's see. So if I'll go for piping, and right now just pressed PI command, okay, and I'm drawing, this kind of warning is coming, right? That none of the created element is visible in this particular one. Let me skip command. So it means my pipe are not modeled, is it? Or it's not visible in this view. What is happening? Let's go in 3D as well. So if I'll go in 3D, I'm not able to see any pipes right here. Okay, so let me try for ducts. So if I'll press DT command and I'll model again, my duct is also not visible. Let me go in 3D again. My ducts are not visible. Is it like that? Something is happening. My duct is not modeled. My pipes are not modeled, or where it is going. Why the warning is coming up? It's it's not like that. Those elements are modeled, whether it is ducts or pipes. Okay, how I am saying this one. Let's try one more time. Okay, if I'll go right here and I'll change my workset to L0HVC duct, and I'll try for piping itself. My piping is visible. Let me press skip command. Let me go for duct again, and let me try for duct as well. My duct is visible. So it means the problem is not with the elements or the modeling part. The problem is within the workset. But what we did, we just normally created the worksets, right? But we unchecked one thing, right? That's very tricky part. And how to fix this one? It's very simple again. For that one, I'll go in visibility graphics, press VV command, and inside the worksets, you can see right here, this piping workset is not visible. Okay, I'll click on this one, click on show, click on OK. Now we will be able to see our previous piping and ducting as well. In 3D as well, if I'll go right here, you can see these are our, ducting worksets elements. If I'll scroll down, you'll be able to see the worksets for this one. Yeah, it's for ducting. But let me go for fine. First of all, shaded. Now, again, in this one view, go for the worksets, go for piping and show. But the main problem, did you rectify the main problem? What has happened? I would not say that is the problem. That is a feature actually. For example, you are working for ducting. You do not want to see the piping in your ducting view, right? So what you'll do is that while working, you go for unchecking the visibility for all the views. It means in which view you want to see your elements, only your elements will be visible. So that is a feature based on your requirements. You can use that one, okay? But please make sure this kind of things may happen with you, and you are trying multiple times for the same kind of duct, and at the end you'll be creating hundreds of ducts for that one, And so please take care of this kind of things. I hope you understand how worksets work in Revit. So thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.